I do the transformation extremely powerfully in my presence, and my presence is utmost important for your transformation. This is the first aspect. Second aspect is you have to be ready for the transformation. Right now also I am here making the transformation happen for my student who is there doing the sadhana, doing the practices that I have asked her to do and guided her to do. And in my presence everything is possible. In my presence you can reach to such places in the Himalayas, in the jungle. Have a feel of this wild nature discovered by me through my exploration into the unknown. You cannot reach this place on your own until and unless you are passionate about life and you are passionate about your transformation. I am passionate about the transformation that I do powerfully to my students, and that is why this is possible. This passion is now my flow, and this flow state can be reached only through the flow frequency with which you can radiate highly. Without the flow frequency, this stage and living this life is not possible. So what is this flow frequency? This flow frequency happens when your brain reaches the gamma frequency, and I have the power to make your brain waves change from the volatile beta frequency to reach to the state of gamma frequency by getting access to all the different frequencies one by one. With the techniques that I teach and with the power transmission that I do, I make you go through the stages of beta getting converted into alpha. You reach the state of alpha waves, then you reach the state of delta, theta, and then the gamma frequency. This gamma frequency makes everything possible, because where life becomes flow. Flow means there is no resistance and there is no obstacles in your path. This means that whatever you put intention to becomes possible. I have that power to make things possible with my intention, but the intention is given only when the purpose is higher. The purpose is beyond the mind's desire. So if I want myself to be in the Himalayas and do the project with me with my student for the transformation, I come to the Himalayas. I can move energy in them in my presence, and when they become free, then they work with me for the stabilization of the integrated stage. When the consciousness integrates in your nervous system, in your brain, then you become powerful to live the life of a conscious person. But if the consciousness is not integrated in you, you will feel distorted and disintegrated, and that is the drawback of not having the guru, not having the master. The master goes through the process of transformation, and I have gone through that transformation. I have been transformed myself through the Kundalini awakening journey for years now, and after getting transformed, I am powerful, and the universe has given me the grace to remain powerful due to the practices, due to the practical actions that I take, and due to the gratefulness towards this power. This gratefulness comes when you are humble and purified and not with toxic energy. I work on your physical and emotional and energetic body to purify you. And first of all, if you are going through the bad phase of Kundalini psychosis, then understand that your nervous system is totally distorted, and in this life there is no solution for you to be free from the Kundalini psychosis symptoms. Only one thing can change you or transform you or give you hope: if you decide to remain surrendered and ask for forgiveness for all your wrongdoings that you have done unconsciously. The conscious life is the solution, and that conscious life cannot happen on your own if you don't know what consciousness is at the first place. For any transformation to happen in you, you have to know what consciousness is, and you cannot reach pure consciousness by remaining in the mind. You have to become conscious. You don't become conscious, you just get access to yourself as pure consciousness energetically when I transform you from mind to the consciousness. I shift your energy 100% from mind to consciousness, and when this happens, it happens powerfully through my energy work, energy transmission practically. You cannot get my energy sitting at home if you are not moving out of your home. You have to remain in high quality of air, you have to remain in high negative ion zone, and you have to get out of your home every day and walk in nature and do all the possible things that is required for you to do to move the energy inside. Kundalini doesn't move in stagnant home and in positive ion space. Kundalini moves when you move your body. Kundalini is in your body, so you have to move your physical body to let Kundalini move. So if you are stuck in life, that means that Kundalini is stuck in your body, and if you don't move and take actions to remove the blockages in your life, then Kundalini will not move out of your body and you will feel stagnant in life. This means that everything is connected. If you want freedom to happen to you, the most important action that you need to take is to get out of your city and start living in a space like this, which is in the mountains, full of greenery, where you can get out of your home and get access to this open space, the open sky, the access to sunlight, the access to green forest, the access to negative ions, the access to great quality of air. And when you do this, you will feel that life has changed. Life has changed, and you will be getting access to the wonders of life. You will be able to feel how life blossoms in each being, in each plant. And when you take the first action, life will reward you with surprises in the form of experiences of living life. You will feel, you will get the fruits. This is the fruit that I got in the wild. It is the wild berry which is found in the Himalayan region, and I am grateful that after my exploration journey I got this. So these are edible berries that can be eaten, and I will eat it to show you how beautiful my life is. Wow, extremely tasty. These are the berries. The real fruit of living a conscious life I got from nature. This was just symbolic of what nature can give you. Nature can give you abundance. Nature can give you the feeling of unlimited possibilities, the possibility to create your life. I created my life from scratch. I created my life from zero, and that is what I teach my students. They leave the matrix on my powerful involvement in their life. This means that I don't work on their problems. I just dissolve their problems. My student who is sitting there doing her practices, she was in the matrix for many years. Around 20 years she was doing the job, and each time she was wanting herself to be free from it. She could not come out. But once she came in contact with me for 9 months now, in the womb of the universe, she is free, and her freedom is happening here at such place in the Himalayas. So are you too like the prisoner of the jail who has to follow the timetable, the routine and everything that is not giving you opening? You can be yourself only in my presence. And who is that yourself? That yourself is the transformed version of you, who is not the you, the personality, the stagnant you. So if you want to get transformed, then raise your level of understanding life, raise your standards, take actions to live life and be free. That's it. Bye bye.